Hi there, I'm meteorologist Leonard Josiah with the Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Services. Thanks for joining us on this Wednesday morning. Already, let's take you straight away to our tropical weather update, and we're taking you all the way out towards the African continent, all the way westwards. You're looking at the broader Atlantic view with our satellite imagery. Antigua and Barbuda, we are located right here, all the way down south to Trinidad and Tobago, the South American continent. And already we are looking at tropical storm Philippe, a tropical wave located here, which I will speak to you in just a minute. One moving off the coast of Africa. I will be going a little bit more in details with that. But tropical storm Philippe, located right here in this vicinity of the United States Virgin Islands, continues to dump a lot of showers over those islands. I'll take you in a little bit more closer. Puerto Rico and the United States Virgin Islands, Antigua and Barbuda, Barbados and Trinidad and Tobago. Already you could see the wide expanse of clouds associated with tropical storm Philippe continues to move on towards the northwest. However, the broad expanse of clouds continue to dump some rainfall over those particular island territories, and we are still maintaining that you will see some flash flood warning. Flash flood warning continues in effect for the British Virgin Islands. I'm believing that the United States Virgin Islands already, you too have a flash flood warning in place, but you can stay tuned to your local territories for that. But for us here in Antigua and Barbuda, the local authority for the British Virgin Islands, we continue to maintain for those islands a flash flood warning in effect because of the rainfall, which I will show you in just a minute. Well, as of 5 a.m. this morning, was located near latitude 20.5 degrees north, 65.5 degrees west, just about 150 miles to the northwest of St. Thomas, moving out towards the north-northwest. The next couple of days, Bermuda should be under the gun with respect to this particular system, moving towards the northwest at 9 miles per hour, currently having winds of 45 miles per hour with a pressure of 1,004 millibars. For us here in Antigua and the leewards, you're seeing some clouds here, but these clouds are mostly with the high-level type, non-rain producing, but nonetheless is blocking out the sunlight, giving us a cooler day. Here is looking at this tropical wave moving towards the west. Likely we will be in our vicinity, and the northern extent of this particular wave will heighten the chances of showers over the Leeward Islands. But let's take you closer in with respect to the rain shield. This is the radar with respect to Puerto Rico, and already you're seeing the large expanse of the rain shield. The green, the reds, and the yellow. The reds are the heavier stuff, and St. Thomas and the United States Virgin Islands, you're located right here. The British Virgin Islands are just off to the northeast, so you're still having a bit of rainfall in your neck of the woods, and you will still see these rain bands coming in association with the circular motion of this tropical storm. But in the next couple of days, it will lift out towards the northwest. Some drier atmospheric conditions will move over those islands. So in terms of the flash flood warning in place for the British Virgin Islands, we're keeping that in place at least until 12 noon. We will be revisiting it, but the likelihood of it being dropped continues to be greater because of the drier atmospheric conditions moving in over those territories. Be safe. Already I'm hearing in excess of 6 to 7 inches of rainfall have fallen over the British Virgin Islands, and we really want you to be safe. Now, I'm giving you a still shot. I'm going to be going in a little bit more detail. Already you're seeing this particular feature. This is a cold front in the month of October, already dropping further towards the south. Drier and cooler atmospheric conditions behind the front, but yet still we're having the warm conditions right here. Here is tropical storm Philippe. We're looking at this tropical wave, as I just spoke to you about, is moving towards the west, and it's very likely that the northern extent of this tropical wave will bring an increase in showers across the Leeward Islands again in the next 24 to 48 hours. But right out towards the northeast or the northern Atlantic Ocean, high pressure over in this general spot. You're seeing the clearing right here. But take a look at this browniness right here. That is dusty atmospheric conditions moving westwards off the African continent. And because of that, those particular drier atmospheric conditions choking this particular tropical wave. But I must let you know that some of our models are flirting with the idea that there may be some tropical development out with respect to this tropical wave as it moves on towards the west, but that is so far out right now because of the uncertainties that great. We're not going to be paying too much attention for that until we get a little bit more certainty. But for you in our Twin Island state and the Leeward Islands and the British Virgin Islands, nothing much for you to worry about. Let's take you in with respect to the rain shield with this particular feature. Well, this particular rain field with respect to one of our most reliable models is the ECMWF. Already you can see right in the vicinity of the British Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico lifting towards the north and the northwest. Most of those rains are now moving out, but yet still they're going to be lingering, some rainfall still lingering over the British Virgin Islands. Take a look at the tropical wave moving towards the west here, and you can see in the next 24 to 48 hours some of those rains will be making their way on with respect to Antigua and Barbuda and the islands of the Leeward Islands and the British Virgin Islands. Well, that is what we call an option with respect to the ECMWF. But here is what the GFS is saying. The GFS has more potent rainfall moving towards the northwest. Some lingering rain shield around our British Virgin Islands and the Leeward Islands, and the tropical wave moving towards the west into our local territories, meaning that we are having a higher confidence that we will see some increase in rainfall totals again over our Twin Island state with respect to that weak tropical wave. Nothing much in the way in terms of nothing much in comparison to what we are seeing here moving towards the northwest. Bermuda, certainly we will have to keep an eye out for them. Here is a look at our icon model. The icon models are saying the very same thing, moving out towards the north and the northwest. We are seeing the rain shield with respect to this tropical wave right here moving over our Twin Island state. A little bit of dry spot here or there, but nonetheless the trend continues with the ECMWF, the GFS model, and also the icon, meaning that we're having a high degree of confidence that that tropical wave will be in our vicinity right here in the Leeward Islands, and as it moves towards the west, an increased chance of shower activity with respect to the fact that the ground is already saturated because of the much needed rainfall we have received. We're going to be keeping our eyes as to whether or not flash floods advisories and watches or so need to be posted. But for right now, it's on the no. Let's go on out and have a great day. So let's take you for your 4-day outlook for Antigua and Barbuda. Today, Wednesday, only a slight chance of a shower. The chances of showers will bump themselves up tonight going on into tomorrow on Thursday as that tropical wave moves in. Then on Friday, we have lingering showers, a 70% chance of showers, and on Saturday, the chances of showers will dwindle off just a bit. If you're in Montserrat, we're holding the very same, a slight chance of a shower today. Then you have a higher chance of showers on Thursday and on Friday because of that tropical wave. If you're in St. Kitts, a slight chance of a shower today. We're still looking for a 70% or high chance of showers on Thursday and on Friday because of that tropical wave. On the days, we're looking at temperatures in the region of 32 to 33 for St. Kitts and the Leeward Islands. A slight chance of a shower on Saturday. Overnight lows nice and manageable. If you're in Anguilla today, a high chance of a shower because of the fact that Tropical Storm Philippe's cloud canopy remains over those areas. Be safe. You will see some thunderstorm activity in your neck of the woods. The chances of showers will drop on Thursday, but still you're going to be having some passing showers on Thursday and on Friday, and a moderate chance of a shower on Saturday. Taking you into the British Virgin Islands, here's what you can expect today. High chance of a showers yesterday. It will dwindle off just a bit. You're looking at Thursday going on into Friday and Saturday. The chances of showers getting less and less. By Saturday, a 40% chance that you will see some showers. Well, that's the end of our tropical weather outlook for us here in the islands of the Leeward Islands and the British Virgin Islands. I'm Leonard Josiah, wishing you a pleasant day from your trusted weather source, the Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Services. Already, I want to thank those of you who have subscribed to our channel. Well, share the page. Our aim is to keep you engaged with respect to weather. And as your trusted weather source, we'll always post these videos to keep you informed. I'm Leonard Josiah from the Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Services, wishing you a great and safe day.